Hi, I'm Sarah from Dealman Fundraising. Let's talk about online fundraisers and how to make them not only easy but successful. Our hybrid option is the way to go if you cannot accept direct payments. With the hybrid option, we still send you a catalog and customized letter to hand out, but all ordering and payments are done through our online shopping site. It may seem like a waste to hand out catalogs if all the ordering is done online. I promise this is not true. Handing out the catalogs is a way to kick off the sale and prompt families to register and shop. Also, the letter includes all the important dates and instructions, so this makes your job easier. DFS will end your sale for you and notify you when it is ready to ship out. We will then send you a check or direct deposit when your sale is completely closed. Our new mobile-friendly coordinator account is accessible from any device and easy to use. Check your sales and profits on the go, easily send and share your results with team members, and much more. We have made it super easy to run your fundraiser from anywhere.